Well, my buddy got permission on this feed last night. Said there's about 100 in here. And it's about almost 9. And I haven't scouted this or nothing. It was all him, and we got about 4 dozen deeks out, and snowing and cold, and all the decoys are covered up with snow. And he actually just left to take a poop break at the gas station and heard a honk and looked up, and oh god, there's more. And some geese came in and I tripled. Should we land them if we can? Oh, Jesus. They're gonna probably go over us once at least. Oh my.
Are they landing?
They're coming. This one's right here. Don't move. Don't move. Oh my, there's a bunch.
Really?
There's more. All right, here they come. Oh, come on. Let them land. You want to kill these? No, hold on. I didn't know those were there.
Yeah.
Oh, we had 2 in the deeks?
3. Shit.
Oh my god, we have flocks everywhere.
Yeah.
We gotta start shooting.
Yeah, we should have shot those ones that were right there. We got more coming behind.
Yeah, I know, a bunch are coming. See these two up high, these two big flocks?
Yeah.
There's a big line behind them way lower.
Okay.
Oh my god, this is greasy. Don't move. Remember to keep track of all your shots. I wish I knew those ones were that one flock. Hold still, we got a big flock above us. I don't even know what's going on right now.
We got a 10 pack coming in.
We got about 100 coming.
Yeah, great.
We got a whole bunch coming right now. We got about 15 right here.
Yep.
Should we let them land or should we shoot them?
Whatever you think.
Ready? Go.
Right there. Oh fuck! Look at them, all of them on the ground. Get that one. Fuck. Oh shit! There's one running across the field over there. Fuck. I mean, we dropped.
I don't know. Yeah! That was sick!
So we should probably go get that one that's walking.
Oh my god.
Fucking A.
That was a good freaking show. Yeah!
Fuck yeah!
Whoa! I'm out here doing cripple cleanup. And that is our limit in 2 flocks. Pretty epic morning in the snow here. Second snow hunt that we actually got snow on the ground. Pretty epic. Well, I'm about to show you the pile here. Second official snow hunt with actual snow sticking to the ground. I had one earlier in Wisconsin, but first Minnesota one. Ended with our 2-man here today in the blizzard. And got about 4 dozen deeks out. Got some nice big flocks. We had a lot of them worked right here, good, what, 10 yards. And here's our blinds. Kind of stick out honestly, but they didn't seem to care. And got a east-southeast wind, and the ones that came in did it pretty good. So Tanner's gonna give you his piece of, let me hold it.
Piece of information here. Well, last night I was driving home from the cabin after smacking some divers, and drove by, saw about 7,000. Just kidding. I saw him for about 10 seconds, and I was like, Colton, let's go hunt this. So we did, and
we got permission first.
Oh yeah, we don't need permission. And shooted our 2-man.
Shot our 2-man. Tanner didn't stay in school.
Fuck.
So make sure you stay in school. But yeah, now we're gonna go try and shoot some pheasants and see if we can add 2-man of pheasants to the pile for the day, because that'd be pretty cool. And we got some snow and some wind, so it should give us some cover noise for walking the pheasant fields. We're gonna take my puppy Blue out, who's only been out 1 time for pheasants, and see how he does. I think the snow and noise from the wind's gonna help us get closer, and hopefully he can put some up and we can shoot them. So I might try and film one spot, because it's a spot where I could leave the GoPro running the whole time, because it's smaller and it should have some birds. But otherwise you're probably not gonna see it, because it's pretty hard to film pheasant hunting, because you gotta turn it on obviously when they get up. So Otherwise, good hunt in the morning. They hadn't been flying lately. Today's Monday, Saturday, Sunday. They weren't really feeding until the evening time, so pretty happy they flew this morning, because otherwise it was going to be another dark to dark sit, long day, and I just did 2 of those, so this was kind of nice. So see ya.